Hello students, today we discuss about the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis, that is formation of gametes, male and female gametes, that is known as haploid gametes, that is known as gamete. Formation and differentiation of haploid gamete, that is ova and sperm, is known as gametogenesis. In male, that sperm is formed, and in female, egg is formed. Firstly, we see in males, inside the testes, the many germ cell is there. Outer layer of testes, if you see the structure of testes, the seminiferous tubules is there, and the layer, outer layer of seminiferous tubules is made up from the germinal epithelium, cuboidal germinal epithelium. These male germ cell undergoes meiotic division to produce sperm. So these are the germ cell which is known as spermatogonia, that will be undergoes meiotic division, meiosis, and to form sperm. And the formation of sperm require 4 stages. First one is of multiplicative phase, second one is of growth phase, third one is of maturation phase, fourth one is of formation of sperm. First, that is multiplicative phase. During the multiplicative phase, initially that these spermatogonia divide by the mitotic division. Mitotic division any equational division, and that having 46 number of chromosomes, and due to which multiply and increase in number. That 46 both. Again mitotic division is there, 46. That is the multiplicative. During this phase, that spermatogonia will multiply. Second one is a growth phase. During that growth phase, that these spermatogonia, now called primary spermatocyte, and that will be increase in size, just double size increase हो जाती है, and that process is known as spermatocytogenesis. That is the growth phase, during which that cytoplasm will be synthesized, DNA replication is there. That is the growth phase. After that growth phase, that maturation will be there. That what is the maturation phase. So during the this is growing spermatogonia is now called primary spermatocyte, which contain 46 number of chromosomes. And during maturation phase, first meiosis is there, due to which secondary spermatocyte is formed, that contains 23 number of chromosome, just half number of chromosome. And after that, second meiosis is occur during this maturation phase, due to which that is the equational division. First meiosis division to 23, again to 23, that is the equational division, due to which spermatid is formed, and from one primary spermatocyte, these 4 sperm is formed. This is the primary spermatocyte. So 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4 sperm is formed. That is the maturation phase. So these are the initial 3 phases: multiplicative phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. The next one is the formation of sperm. After the formation of spermatids, inside the spermatid many changes undergoes, during which the cytoplasmic changes there, some cell organelles will be changes in there, that and spermatid change into spermatozoa or sperm, and which is known as मेटामॉर्फोजेनेसिस, जिसमें कुछ गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स में इनमें चेंजेस आते हैं, जिससे स्पर्मेटिड जो है वो स्पर्मेटोजोआ यानी स्पर्म के अंदर चेंज हो जाता है. देन what is the role of different hormones during the spermatogenesis? If we see the from spermatid to sperm, formation of sperm, this process is known as spermiogenesis. And growth size is known as spermatocytogenesis, and the whole process in which that primary spermatocytes formed sperm, that is known as spermatogenesis. But only this during this um, morphogenesis there from spermatid to sperm, that is the spermiogenesis. Now role of the different hormones during the formation of sperm or gametogenesis, mainly GHRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone, that is secreted from the hypothalamus, and that induce the pituitary glands which secrete two hormones, that is LH hormone, another one is of FSH hormone, luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Luteinizing hormones act on the Leydig cells, or that is interstitial cells. Leydig cells, what is the function of Leydig cells? That produce androgens or male hormones or testosterone. So that will be acting on the Leydig cells and that will be stimulate male hormones. And upper cells act on the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells are the cells which is present inside the seminiferous tubes that provide nutrition to the developing sperm and also protection. So upper cells act on Sertoli cells, due to which some factors will be formed. That help in the formation of sperm. So LH on Leydig cells, FSH on Sertoli cells, and after the formation of sperm from the primary spermatocyte to secondary spermatocyte, the sperm will be released in the cavity of seminiferous tubules. That process is known as spermiation. Now the structure of sperm. Sperm normally made up from four parts, that is head, neck, middle piece and tail. That head portion, anteriorly it is formed from the ectosome. Ectosome contains different hydrolytic enzymes, and especially that ectosome is made up from Golgi complex. आपको हो सकता है कि कुछ बुक्स में लिखा हो कि ये लाइसोसोम से बनता है, तो लाइसोसोम भी गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स से ही बनता है. तो एक्टोसोम का फॉर्मेशन किससे? गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड लाइसोसोम, एंड विच कंटेन दैट हाइड्रोलाइटिक एंजाइम्स. द नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज ऑफ that is nucleus. It contains specially only DNA and protein. इसके अलावा इसमें कुछ भी नहीं होता. That is the head piece. It is the main portion of sperm. Then the next portion of sperm is of lake. It is narrow portion that contain centrioles, two centrioles, and that centriole help in the first cleavage or first division of the zygote. Then the next portion of middle portion, longer portion is there, that contain many mitochondria. Mitochondria provide the energy to the sperm during the movement. It provide energy 28 hours to 48 hours. If during this time period fertilization will be not there, that sperm will be exhausted. And the last end piece, that is known as tail help in the swimming. It is long tapering ends that help in the movement of sperm inside the female genital tract from uterus towards the fallopian tube. So this is the structure of sperm. Gametogenesis, that is the oogenesis, that is formation of female gamete or egg cell with the help of female germ cell, is known as oogenesis. Inside the ovary, germinal epithelium is there, which produce many cells, female germ cell, which is known as oogonium. Again, that oogenesis is divided into four stages: multiplication phase, growth phase, maturation phase, and ovulation phase. During the multiplication phase, that oogonia divided by the mitotic division. Each parent cell or female germ cell contains 46 which is divided by mitotic division, that contain again 46 chromosome, due to which many oogonia is formed. Then second one is a growth phase. Growth phase is very large in human females. It is up to 12 to 13 years long phase. During this phase, many oogonia will be degenerated. At the time of birth, the 60 to 80,000 oogonia is there. We can say that is primary oocytes. Means just after the multiplication phase, that oogonia will be increase in size, start to increase in size, that is known as growth phase, and which cell is known as primary oocytes. And many primary oocytes degenerate during the after the birth until the puberty, and till puberty 60,000 to 80,000 primary oocyte will be remains, and during this stage again first meiosis will be start. The next is of maturation phase. During the maturation phase, this primary oocytes matured and first meiotic division will be there. During the first meiotic division, one cell is formed that is known as secondary oocyte, and another cell is formed that contain minimum cytoplasm and nucleus, that is the first polar body. And then the second division, which is again unequal division, in which small second polar body is formed, and another cell, that is the egg cell. The second meiosis occur after the ovulation and just before the fertilization, that is the egg cell is formed, and that process releasing of eggs from the ovary, that is known as ovulation. If we see the development of eggs, initially the first cell, this is the primary oogonia, which is enlarged and growth is there, and that primary oocyte surrounded by the many cells, that is known as granulosa cells, and this structure is known as primary follicles. Once this is the primary follicles, which is surrounded by the many cells, and inside the primary follicle, primary oocyte is there. Again, during this maturity phase, we can say after the birth, 12 to 13 years, many primary follicles degenerate. Only 60 to 80,000 primary follicles will remain. And then puberty, during the puberty, many layers will be again formed just outside the granulosa, and that is granulosa and theca cells, and that will, due to which it is converted into secondary follicles. Primary follicles convert into secondary follicles, and again that secondary follicle convert into tertiary follicles by the formation of cavity. जब एग का डेवलपमेंट होता है तो बाहर की तरफ लेयर्स बनती है और बीच में एक केविटी सी बन जाती है, उसको अट्रम कहते हैं, और उसको टर्सरी फॉलिकल्स कह सकते हैं. एंड इनसाइड द टर्सरी फॉलिकल्स प्राइमरी oocyte इज देयर. उसके बाद जो सेकंड डिवीजन, फर्स्ट डिवीजन कंप्लीट होता है, जिससे सेकेंडरी oocyte बनता है, और फिर उसके बाद और कुछ लेयर और बनती है. तो वो सेकेंडरी oocyte जो सेकेंडरी oocyte है, अब वो कन्वर्ट होता था ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स के अंदर, और ग्राफियन फॉलिकल के अंदर ही क्या होता है, ओव्यूलेशन होता है, जिससे एग रिलीज होता है. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओवम. ह्यूमन ओवम इज नॉर्मली spherical in shape and non-motile, which contain abundant of cytoplasm. It is covered by the two membranes. The outer membranes, that is made up from corona cells, that is known as corona radiata, and inside the thick layer is there, which is known as zona pellucida. Inside the zona pellucida, the main egg is there, which is covered by the plasma membrane, and the plasma membrane contains the large nucleus. So especially the human egg is made up from covered by the two membranes, outer membranes, corona radiata and zona pellucida. When sperm will be reaches here, that will be penetrate both the cells, both the layers. Who will be penetrate first? That will be fertilize the female eggs, and after that, the entry of the further sperm will be blocked by the eggs by the formation of wall.